Dear students, I am Devender. In this video, I am explaining you class 9th maths exercise 2.5.
Now can see our 14th question. Without actual calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. See here, already we know that formula. If x plus y plus z is equal 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal 3xyz. That means first of all you need to write in the form of x plus y plus z. So that once you can see here, second one, see here. 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 by 6 whole cube. First of all, you can write here only plus sign. That means this minus will go into brackets. That means you can see here I am writing here 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube plus here 5 by 6 whole cube. But you can here already there is minus available or not? Yes, so that you can write here internal minus. See here minus of whole cube means minus into minus plus into minus minus only. That means you are getting here outside of the brackets will be minus or not. That means just I rewritten this given equations here. There will be both are the same, but here the minus is outside the brackets. Here I written inside the brackets. That means here this is in the form of once you can see x plus y plus z or not. Yes, now you can consider x plus y plus z is equal to 0 or not. First you can check. I am writing here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6. How much you can see here? See here 2, 3, 6. What is the LCM of 2, 3, 6? 6 only. Yes or no? Yes, you can write here 6. Next here 2, 3 just 6. That means 3, 1 just 3. Here plus 3, 2 just 6. That means 2, 1 just 2. Next here 6, 1 just 6. That means 1 into minus 5 only. See here I am writing here 3 plus 2 is a 5. 5 minus 5 by 6. That means you are getting is how much? 0 by 6. That means it's 0 or none. Yes or no? But you know that. Already we know that. See here. We know that if x plus y plus z is equal 0, then we can take here x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal 3xyz. Yes or no? Yes. In the similar way, once you can write here given equations here 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube plus of minus 5 by 6 whole cube is equal 3 into x value is how much? 1 by 2. Y value 1 by 3. Z value minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. Is there any possibility to simplify? You can simplify it. Say 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. That means you are getting is how much? 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 5 ja 5 only. But here minus is available. You can write minus 5 by 2 6 how much? 12. That means your answer is how much? Minus 5 by 12 is your answer. Now you can see here 15th question. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is given by. Your first question is 4a square plus 4a minus 3. 4a square plus 4a minus 3. First of all, our assumption is see, let length and breadth of the rectangle be L and B. Yes or no? L will be length, B will be breadth of the rectangle. You know that already they given that area of the rectangle is how much? 4a square plus 4a minus 3. What is the area of the rectangle formula? See here, area of rectangle formula is L into B or not? L into B is equal, can I write here 4a square plus 4a minus 3. Once you can see how can we write? See here, first you can multiply here a square coefficient with constant terms. Here 4 into minus 3. How much it is? 4 into minus 3. 4 into minus 3 you will get minus 12. Yes or no? Yes, minus 12. What are the factors of minus 12? How can you write? Here you know that minus 12 can be written as 6 into minus 2. Yes or no? Can I write here 6 into minus 2? Or you can write here minus 6 into 2 also. Yes or no? You can write here 6 into minus 12 or minus 6 into 12. And also if you want you can write here 4 into minus 3 or C 4 into minus 3 or minus 4 into 3. Yes or no? Yes, we can write like this. But first of all you can see here we have written minus 12 factors as 6 into minus 12, minus 6 into 2, 4 into minus 3, minus 4 into 3. Whenever you are adding these factors, we will need to get the middle term. That means you need to split the middle term into two factors. 4a into middle term into two factors. See, if I am writing minus 4 plus 3, minus 4 plus 3 is how much? Minus 1 only. But here you are getting plus 4. Here 4 minus 3, that means you are getting only 1. Here see, minus 6 plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 means you are getting here minus 4. But here plus 4. See here, 6 minus 2, that means you are getting 4 or not, so that you can write here, you can choose here, this can be written here, this factor only we can write here. That means I am writing, this is the careful step here. See, 4a square plus 6a minus 2a minus 3. Is it okay? Just I written here, instead of 4a, I written 6a minus 2a. That means I split the middle term into two terms. Is it okay? You know that 6 2 is how much? 12. You are getting minus 12. Yes or no? Yes. 6 minus 2 is how much? 4a. That means you can satisfy it. See here, 4a square plus 6a. What is the common term here? 2a. Yes or no? 2a. If I am taking here 2a common as 2 2 is 4. 2a plus 3. Yes or no? 2a into 3. 6a. Here you can take here minus 1. You can write here 2a plus 3. That means here minus 1 into 2a minus 2a. Minus into plus minus 1 into 3, 3 only. That means you can see here 2a plus 3 common. Here also 2a plus 3 common. That means take a common here. See here 2a plus 3 into 2a minus 1. Is it L into B or not? That means here L into B. That means you can write here, therefore length of the rectangle. Length of rectangle, you can consider here 2a plus 3. You can take here breadth of rectangle is equal to a minus 1. This is length, this will be breadth only. Here you can see your second one, give possible expressions for the length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is given by 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Once again you can see here, first of all I am taking here length of the rectangle is L and breadth of the rectangle will be B only. You know that area of rectangle is equal 25a square minus 35a plus 12. That means you know that, see, area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth or not? Yes, length into breadth is equal. You can see here 25a square minus 35a plus 12. I already told that to split the middle term into two terms, first you need to multiply coefficient of a square and constant. That means you can multiply 25 into 12 how much? Just you can see here 25 into 12. 25 into 12 means here 12 5 is 60. Yes or no? 12 2 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30 or not? That means 300. See here, you can find the factors of 300. How can you write here 35? We need to write here minus 35. See, if I am writing here, see 10 into 30. Yes or no? 10 into 30 also 300. But you can see 10 plus 30 is how much? We are getting 40. But here how much? Minus 35. See, one more chance. We can see here 15 20 ja. That means here 52 is how much? 30. That means 300. That means you can see 15 plus 20 is how much? 35. Yes or no? You can write here 35. But you can see here it is plus 35 minus 35 minus 35. So that you don't take this one also. See, you can write here minus 15 into minus 20. Minus 15 into minus 20. You can see here, first of all you can find the product. Minus into minus plus only 15 20 ja 300. Yes or no? That means once you can add here minus 15 plus of minus 20, you are getting minus 35 or not? Yes. So that you can consider these factors. See that I am writing here 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. Yes or no? You can write here minus 20 minus 15, you are getting minus 35 or not? Yes. 20 15 300 or not? Yes. So that you can consider only this factorization minus 15 into minus 20. Now you can see what are the common factors in the both. See, 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20. That means you can take here 5a as common. 5 5 is 25, 5a minus 5 4 is how much? 5 4 is 20. That means you can see here minus 15a plus 12. 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15. That means can I take here 3 as common? Yes. Can take here 3 5 is 15a, 3 4 is 12. See, minus into minus plus, so that I am writing here minus only. See here 5a minus 3. You can write here 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 4. Why? Because see, here both having common factor 5a minus 4. So that I am writing here 5a minus 4 here. The remaining should be 5a minus 3. That means you can write here L into width. That means you can write here the length of rectangle is equals, you can take here 5a minus 3, breadth of rectangle is equal 5a minus 4. This is your answer. Now you can see here 16th question. What are the possible polynomial expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid whose values are given below? 3x cube minus 12x. First of all, I am writing here value of cuboid is equal to how much? 3x cube minus 12x. Once you can see here, is there any common in the both 3x cube minus 12? That means can I take here 3 1 3, 3 4 12 or not? That means can I write here 3 into x also you can take common, 3x into x square minus 4. Yes or no? 3 into 1, 3 only. X into x square, x cube. 3 into 4, 12. X into 1, x only. Yes or no? That means 12x. See here, 3x into x square can be written as x whole square. Yes or no? Yes. Minus 4 can be written as 2 square or not? Yes, 2 square. Once you can observe here, both are having the same. See here, a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b or not? Yes, you can write here 3x into x plus 2 into x minus 2. Yes or no? 3x into x plus 2 into x minus 2. Why? Because a plus b into a minus b, you know that a square minus b square. Therefore, you can write here the dimensions. You can write here the dimensions of the given cuboid. Given cuboid are 3x comma x plus 2 comma x minus 2. In the similar way, once you can see here what is the second one here. See here I am writing here second one. Second one, volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equal, once you can observe here 12y square plus 8y minus 20. In the similar way, once you can choose here, is there any common factor given? See, 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8, 4 5 is 20. That means can I take 4 as common? 4. I am writing here 4 3 is 12, that means 3y square. 4 2 is 8, that means 2y. 4 5 is 20, that means you can write here 4 into minus 5. Is it okay? Once you can see, already in the previous problem we have discussed how can you split the middle term into two terms. First you need to multiply coefficient of y square and constant terms here. 3 into minus 5 you are getting is how much? 3 into minus 5. This is only rough part. I am writing here 3 into minus 5. You are getting is how much? Minus 15. Okay, once you can see, we need to get here plus 2y. That means can I write here minus 15 can be written as 5 into minus 3. Can I write or not? 5 into 3, 15. Plus into minus 15. See, 5 minus 3 is how much? 2 or not? So that you can use here. See, 4 into 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. Next you can consider here 4 into here 3y, here 5y. There is no common, so that you can take only y as common. Y, if I am taking as common, you can write here 3y plus 5. Yes or no? You can see here minus 3y minus 5. That means you can take here minus 1 as common. That means you can write here 3y plus 5. Yes or no? Minus 1 into 3y, minus 3y, minus 1 into plus y, minus 5 only. You can see here 3y plus 5, 3y plus 5. Both are the common factors, so that you can take your common outside. 4 into 3y plus 5 comma y minus 1. Y minus 1. See here, these are the dimensions. You can write it. Therefore, the dimensions of a cuboid are 4 comma 3y plus 5 comma y minus 1. This is your solution. Now you can see here question number 17. If 2 into a square plus b square is equal a plus b whole square, then show that a is equal to b. First of all, I am writing here what is the given information. I am writing here given that 2 into a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. See that I am writing here 2 into a square means, can I write here 2a square? Yes, 2a square plus 2 into b square means 2b square, can I write? Yes, is equal. You know that a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes or no? Yes. Now you can transpose all the terms. That means you can transpose this a square plus b square to LHS. That means I am writing 2a square plus 2b square. I am transposing all the terms here. A square, 2ab plus b square. That means I am writing minus a square minus 2ab minus b square is equal 0. See here implies 2a square minus a square. Can I write here a square? A square minus 2ab 2b square minus b square. That means can I write here plus b square or not? Yes, is equal 0. Once you can observe here a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means which is the identity? A minus b whole square or not? A minus b whole square is equal 0. Now you can transpose square to RHS. That will become square root. That means you can write here a minus b is equal square root of 0. That is equal to 0 only. That means you can write here a minus b is equal 0. Implies you can transpose b to RHS. That means you can write here a is equal 0 plus b. That means your answer is how much? A is equal to b. In the given question, what they are asking here, see, show that a is equal b. We have shown or not? A is equal b. This is your answer. Very, very simple problem. In this way, we have completed chapter 2, polynomials and factorization. Till now.
Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our channel in 9th class maths playlist.